Let's learn how to divide the number 10 by 1000 using the long division method. See that this 10 is less than 1000. That is why we need to put a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. And again see that this 100 is less than 1000. That is why we need to borrow again 1 0. And for that we need to put a 0 here. And we know that 1000 times 1 is equal to 1000. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 10 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.01, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.